Hello, today I'm going to talk about how to use the Unity software, game software. So right now in the hierarchy we have many different objects, but to create an object we just have to right click and choose either 3D objects or 2D objects. This is to create any either object which will be sphere or cube or capsule, any object we want. So if you go in scene on our right click here and then we create cube for example. Yeah, yeah, so this is the cube. That's how you create a cube. And if you want to create other 3D objects, you just right click, go to 3D objects and choose a plane for example, and we get a plane. And to delete, you just click on the delete button at the keyboard. Now if you want to create a 2D object, you try to make sure we are in 2D mode in the scene, and then we right click and then choose the sprite. On the sprite we have like we don't have anything in the sprite field here, so all we have to do is to look up which other sprite we want. It could be the background sprite or even the input sprite, and we choose whatever sprite we want to get one sprite appear at the same windows. Now to change the color of the sprite, all we have to do is to click on the color fields and then change whichever color we want. Pink, blue, anything we want. And we can choose color however we want. You can choose with RGB number as a group, or we can choose by using the bar, or you can choose the color by using even the number, or you can even choose by hexadecimal mode or whatever we want. And that's about it for sprite. And within the inspector we can add any component we want, whether it's audio, effects, events, or even physics 2D. The physics 2D will give us the following shape we want, whether it be the circle collider, capsule collider, or even the box collider. And here the box collider will be more fitting to this kind of shape. And within the box 2D collider, we either have few components like the ease trigger, the material, or even things like the offset value, x and y, the size value, and the edge radius. And the box collider is basically has the same shape as the should have the same shape as the new sprite. If we choose a different collider, the shape will be different. We remove it, for example, we choose a different collider. We choose a circle collider. We see a circle right here, which is a circle collider. And from here, if we try to choose the offset, we X offset, yes, it will offset to a different side. Whether it's if we just add one, for example, we offset one unit to the left or the right at this ABA. And then if you wanna offset to the left, we just put a negative number point 25. It will offset to the left, like right here. And positive, like I said earlier, it will offset to the right because the positive number is offset to the right. Same thing with the y. If it's positive number, it will offset upward, and then it will offset if it's a negative number downward. Kind of like x and y axis in mathematics. And if we control C everything, it should go back to the value here. And the radius, if we change the radius, it should change the radius of the circle because it is actually a radius. And the rest is all. And then we can edit the collider if you're not satisfied with the shape. You can edit to change the collider in a different shape. Let's see if we can remove and choose the collider. Remove the collider. Okay, edge collider maybe will be right choice to change the collider. So the edge collider, if you push, maybe we need to use a different type of collider. To the physics, maybe Polygon collider. Type Polygon. Okay, yeah, the Polygon collider we change. We help change, edit. Should help, yes. It will help change however we want. And in this case, the Polygon will be able to fit it on it. So anyway, thank you so much.